Still gotta mark just a little ditch right over to that. Still gotta mark this ditch over to this. And then we got that one laid out, that one laid out. Then we gotta do these Ys. That ditch goes over to that mark. Then we got a little single ditch comes out here to this mark right there. And then our next ditch is right here. We gotta get all this stuff moved out of the way. But it goes out here into the hall. You can see they ended the dust wall here, but we gotta come all the way out to here. Right about that black line. So I'm just gonna lay it out right here on the floor, coming this way.